Just going to show you how to pair your phone to this Sony XAV-602BT unit in this vehicle we've got. It's not a standard fitting, it's an aftermarket extra, and it's a real good unit. Not the easiest thing to program sometimes, but anyway. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's it, Bluetooth on, and hopefully you'll be able to see it from these cameras. We go into, it's already asking for a pairing request here, so I'll click pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts, but you will. It's coming up there at the bottom, Sony C, connected. So it's as simple as that. There is another way to do it if it's not showing up on your phone straight away. If you go into settings, now that was the easier way to pair it if the Bluetooth switched on. However, if it isn't, what you have to do, again, we'll go into the phone, make sure Bluetooth is switched on your phone, then you go into settings, click settings, scroll down to Bluetooth connection, click Bluetooth connection, then click on, then click pairing. It will now be visible on your phone already here, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync, but you will. It seems to take its time this way. Yep, losing the will to live now. It's connected.